Finally, I got this rotating double wooden yarn holder for my creative corner. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is MK. Let's open up this packaging and see what we are working with. Wait for it. Everything is packaged really neatly inside. Know how it gets messy when switching between yarn colors, so I hope this is a game changer and fixes everything. Can we just appreciate this wood for a second? So it comes with a heavy wooden square base, which is the foundation that holds everything steady. It also comes with the long support rod which holds everything up. It also has the short support rod which will be attached on the sides of the long support rod. It also comes with a little wooden cap to hold our needles and other items. It also has two yarn rods which will hold and spin our yarns. It also has two wooden discs that will be attached at the bottom of the yarn rod, which prevent the yarn from sliding off, and also it helps the yarn to spin smoothly. It also comes with 4 screws and a mini screwdriver. Lastly, the manual which will guide us how to attach the yarn holder. Time to empty out the box and lay all the pieces on the desk so that we can see everything we are working with. I have been looking forward to setting this up for the past 1 week. Let's unwrap our mini screwdriver and the screws. Here are all our pieces. Since the manual is pretty simple to follow, you are going to watch the rest of the video in silence as I attach all the pieces together. Enjoy the assembling sounds. And just like that, we are done assembling it. Honestly, it was super easy to assemble it. We are going to slide our yarns onto the yarn rods. Short support rod attaches onto the yarn rod magnetically. I can't wait to use it on the next project. See you on the next video. Bye bye.